BNC connector wiring demonstration. On-site preparation required. Black protective sleeve, crimping tube, small tube, PTFE tube, BNC pin, DNC housing. First, prepare an electrode cable by yourself and slide the black protective sleeve and the crimping tube onto the electrode cable. Then proceed with wire stripping. After stripping, pull the copper wires apart. Remove the black protective layer. Thread the small tube through. Fit the PTFE tube in place and trim off the excess transparent layer. Next, solder the BNC pin. Welding in progress. After the pin is installed, slide the BNC housing into place. Once the housing is fitted, cut off the excess copper wires. Then slide the ferrule down and secure it with a special purpose clamp. Finally, slide the black protective sleeve down. The entire process is now completed.